Hello, good afternoon, trader. Good afternoon, everyone. Welcome back to my channel, Forex Black Box. I'm looking at S&P 500, SPOOS, or SPY, whatever you want to call it. That's the daily today. We break the previous day high, and looks like we're gonna go for this pattern, butterfly. Little bit more up momentum, and we'll see some sell-off. If that's successful pattern, then we should see momentum ABC coming back down to the 20 moving average. Um, so far, I've been long on a future contract above the previous day close. You come back up, break above it, and I'll continue to trade it in a small time frame. I didn't stay long. I just took a couple of trades and I get out. I'm still skeptic about this. We just broke above this level, right? So my expectation is we'll see some pullback before the close. Continue maybe tomorrow, a little bit push up before this high, or maybe we're gonna get double tops here before we go down. So far we come below the 20 moving average. Failure to break below it here is a failure. I was talking about it before, and we broke the previous hold up there. So we broke above it, 20 moving average. Good indication that can continue back up, but the fact is still is the coronavirus still out there. And yeah, just keep your eye on the news, what's going on. Something is going to happen around this level here. If so, we will see momentum back down, or we'll break through, retest, continuation back up to the highs. Either way can go. I'm not saying that it's not gonna go. It's gonna go down 100%. This is like a pattern here for me. Pullback, a failure, another failure here, and we're coming back up. Let's see if it's gonna be a failure up there and come back inside this range. Break below it, continue down. We'll watch out for that for the coming days. This week we're gonna know more. Stayed here for a while. We break, probably come back. Could be a failure. So let's see what's gonna happen tomorrow, and we'll wait at the end of the week. We're already the 6th of July, 2020. So yeah, still some more time in this month. At this month, so let's see. Gold, see that touch 20 moving average, bounce above it right away on the daily, low time frame. See that coming back down, continue back up. I don't know why the daily look different here. I think something wrong with the trading view. It's not showing exactly the opening and close properly. So just go back one time frame here. See that I don't trade it, that's why I'm not talking exactly where we are. We basically break out of this, we'll come retest. Let's see what happened here. We have a push down, failure to break lower, coming back up, consolidation, a flag, bull flag, a small one. So from here to here, up to here, probably gonna see head and shoulder pattern here. Okay. Right. What else? Okay, Bitcoin. Look on the daily. 20 moving average below it. Come back, retest. It couldn't break below here. We'll come retest 20 moving average again. There's no trade zone for me. It didn't really go far from the 20 moving average. We're still hugging the 20 moving average. We test it very closely by 3 days gap. Here by a few days more. Here this gap started getting smaller, is indicating the momentum started getting weaker, and dollar probably getting weaker. So if S&P 500, that's the reason why S&P 500 going up, dollar getting weaker, and yen, Aussie is up, of course. But yeah, just watch out what happened in 20 moving average, whether or not we're going above it. We try to get some volatility to continue back up, or we're going to actually drop lower. We broke below here, a failure, a failure, a failure, not confirmed yet. We'll confirm above this previous swing high, and if we continue back up, retest 20 moving average, probably see a flag pattern here before we continue back up on the daily time frame. Okay, next, oil. Oil is still holding the 61 Fibonacci. I thought it was going to be a head and shoulder. Still head and shoulder. We have a 1, 2, 3, 4 days holding here until we see retest of 20 moving average, strong momentum like this one here. Retest 20 moving average. That could be your long again if you show momentum back up, or if it becomes strong momentum down, break the 20 moving average, retest a continuation back down. So far we keep climbing. We have a one push, a second, a third. So I'm looking for retracement back to this level, which is about $30. Let's see if it's going to be achieved or not. Don't say, but look, is we are 61% Fibonacci from the bottom to the top. Probably going to see some pullback soon. Is holding here. Buyer that want to get invest here is too expensive. They're waiting for a good discount that will be around here for oil perspective. Okay. Dollar index, of course, talked about this. We have a one leg. I'm going to see a second one here. Probably going to could be it here or could be just going low a little bit. Break this by a measure like a few percentage. Then we'll continue back up. Have a one push to 20 moving average, second time rejected, and we'll come back down. Have a failure here, break higher, strong really momentum is not very strong. Come back down, we're retesting this level now. Let's see if we're gonna break below it. We'll have a failure again, come back up. Could be a range at the end of the day. We'll have two tops here or three tops almost, and we'll have one, two, three bottoms or here. One, two, three, one, two, three. What we're talking about range. So probably come back up here again, give opportunity for euro to be weaker if you indeed want to come back up. Look at euro. I'm short right there. I shorted on Fibonacci in 4 hours. That was my short right there around this level. It's coming back down nicely. 4 hours. I expect that continue back down at least to this level. My take profit will be meeting the 20 moving average in 4 hours. It's still far from it, but if you start to come around the blue line here and start to give me another rotation, I will be exiting before it starts kicking in. So I'll be exiting around here. If it's not strong momentum to the 20 moving average, by the time it will have another candle, will come around here, probably touch the moving average, bounce back up. I will be trailing my take profit to the moving average. I have a 50 to 60 pips a target, but if the momentum starts getting weaker, I will be trailing it. That might take profit. I don't care how much I get in. I'm care only to exit and close my trade. I have another opportunity when it bounce back up here around this level, about 50% from this to the 20 moving average, from the top to the 20 moving average, the 50% will be re-enter the market again for a major move. Okay. Pound cable, see that one, two, come back down, bounce over the 20 moving average, come back up like almost wave one, wave two, probably going back down again. Let's see if it's going to confirm or not. Well, about 50% of this move. Probably come back to 20 moving average will show us more momentum if we will continue back up or not. If dollar started getting weaker, then we'll see cable coming back up and will lift up all the rest of the bears. If the dollar getting stronger, probably gonna come back here, break the 20 moving average, will continue back down for a motion one, two, continuation W, M, M. We're looking for a W somewhere nearby there. We have a W here confirmed. I talked about that before, guys. W nicely broke below, above it. A very strong momentum. Even measure move, very good. We have one, two. We're looking for a W and continuation back down. Okay. Let's see if it's going to be achieved this week or not. I'm not playing on bound USD myself, but I'm playing on other things as well. So, guys, if you're new to your channel, please subscribe and like and leave a comment. I appreciate your support. And if you guys have a question, leave it. I will answer you. I have a couple of questions. I think one of them about the indexes. There is a script. There was article about it. I'm looking for this article. I don't have. I did not save it since I have the code is already pre-done for me. So I will be looking for this article and I will post it for you. I'm taking this only read only from my friend, and I don't wanna give it to you guys. If I give it to you, it's gonna be like a lot of people viewing it, and it's not good for him. He have an account with TradeView, so it's not fair. So what I will do, I will try to find the article. If you have a full version of Bro on TradingView, you can have this configured on your terminal, and you can have the same view as mine. But yeah, other than that, I cannot give you the link because it will be a problem for him. Okay. All right, moving on. Yen. See that yen will have double top here, guys. We're looking for M formation. Break the moving average. Confirm that we're coming back down. We have a certain W, triple W here. We have the one, two, three, break above it. Very famous consolidation. Coming back, measure move, equal measure move. Confirm. Now we're looking for M to continue back down. Okay. I'm not short or long on it. I just getting long on around here. I getting long about yeah. I'm actually long here, guys. Sorry. no longer here. I'm at 79,000, so I'm like a pip or two above my entry. I think that is going to be a nice W. That's what I'm looking for. Break out of here daily. So probably tomorrow it will push back up, continue back up. But all to do is SP 500 if we really want to go down or not. Sorry, let's go back to pound yen. That's what pound yen on the daily because I did it in 4 hours. We have what, a W here, break. We're gonna have another leg down. I'll continue back up. In the 4 hour, of course, is a different view. Looks like we'll come back down. So probably we'll come back down a little around this level. Break just the previous low. However, if stock going down, we see yen getting strong. So that can continue indeed all the way down to this consolidation level. That could be a nice support if you're coming back down here in 4 hours. On the daily itself, we can push down here, coming back up, probably around this level, and we'll continue back down. Major move sideways equal flag, major move. Okay. Aussie, we talked about it. I'm expecting Aussie to get in weaker soon. We have this level. It was breaking above it, come back down. I don't want to see. I don't want to see it below this one. My stop loss just below there. If we break it, I'm happy to exit with a loss. Is fine. But as I don't want to hold a position here, because actually keep going down because if the spies S&P 500 want to go all the way to all-time highs this time around, probably going to see Bound Aussie keep going down. Okay, Bound Eason as well, same story. On the daily, we see this started losing momentum here. I'm looking for a W continuation back up, at least to break the 20 moving average. Then I will be happy to get in this market. Not yet, it's not ready yet for me. So there's more to it. We have some certain support here going on at the moment at this high. Remove this away. Here we go. Just around the broke above it. There's not much between this level here and this level right in the middle, smack in the middle. That could be a nice support plus that trend line here. We just hold for a while, then we'll start to climb back up. Probably going to be the same story here. Let's see. The maximum will be around this level because it's got support here, got support here, got support here. Let's see. Right, bound CAD. See the bound CAD holding, that's indicating CAD is weak, indicating oil is almost to be falling down. So what we're looking for, if we break out of this flag, we'll be looking for a major move from this high to this low around these levels. There will be a good opportunity. But I'm not going to trade it until above the 20 moving average on daily. Probably here we see that it's kind of like pound getting weaker just before the close. Let's see if it's going to hold here or continue back up. We'll actually break below the 20 moving average and go a little bit lower. It's all to do is oil now and pound strings. So today is only Monday, guys. It's still too early to talk about where we can go from here. But you have to follow, you have to tell the story of each pair, where we're going and how the currency doing. Okay, watch the market, watch the coronavirus count in US and globally, of course. And good luck, guys. I'll talk to you later. Take care. Talk to you tomorrow. Bye.